A 92% win rate is what we're going to be testing today, created by Trade IQ. We'll be testing it 100 times using Ethereum on the 5-minute time frame to see if we can actually make money with it. But before we start, welcome to Tradefluence. My name's Gonzalo Branco. I'm a 23-year-old Forex trader who's been trading for the last 5 years now, and even have my own channel sharing my live trades with proof back in 2021. So first, head on over to TradingView, and for this strategy, we're going to need 3 indicators. So head on over to the indicators tab, and the first indicator is going to be called the zone detection. Now once loaded, we're going to need to go to the indicators tab, head on over to style and uncheck the boxes and labels. So this is our entry signal indicator, and we're going to use it for buys and sells. So when it prints a buy, we're going to be looking to go long, and when it prints a sell, we're going to be looking to sell. Now let's go and get the second indicator, and for the second indicator, we're going to need the mean reversion channel. Now put into simple terms, the mean reversion channel is used to identify oversold and overbought conditions, and it's made up of 2 bands. So when it comes into the lower band, we're going to be looking to buy, and when it comes into the upper band, we're going to be looking to sell, essentially like an RSI. So we need to make some adjustments, so double click and uncheck the top 3 boxes, the mean, R1 and S1. Then head on over to the inputs, and we're going to change the outer channel size multiplier to 1.5. And for the final indicator, we're going to need the smoothing moving average. So make some adjustments, double click, change the length to 200, head on over to style, and we're going to make it more visible. So we're going to change the color to white, and we're going to make it thicker. So the moving average is used to identify the trend direction. When you're above the moving average, you're going to be looking for longs, and when you're below, you're going to be looking for shorts. Now let's go over the entry criteria. Okay, so this is your entry criteria when looking for a long. You're going to need the price and the bands to be above the 200 moving average, and then you're going to need price to pull back into the lower band, indicating that we're oversold. Then we're going to need a new buy signal printed in the push phase, predicting that the continuation is going to occur. Once all 3 confirmations have been met, we're going to take the instant execution with the stop loss below the swing low. Now for our trade management, we're just going to let it run to a 1 to 2. Okay, so we hit our 2% take profit. Now let's go and break down the sell criteria. Okay, so this is your entry criteria when looking for a sell. First, you need price and the bands to be below the 200 moving average. Then we're going to need price to pull back into the top band, indicating that we're overbought. After this, we're going to need a new sell signal printed off the push phase from the upper band. Once all 3 confirmations have been met, we're going to take the instant execution, stop loss above the most recent swing high, and we're going to be targeting a 1 to 2. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to go back test this 100 times and come back to you with the results. Okay, so in 6 months and 3 weeks, we took 25 trades, 10 lost and 15 won, which means we had a 60% win rate and a final net profit of 20%. Now, I know I said I'm going to go take 100 trades, but TradingView didn't have enough data for me to go and backtest, and 25 trades is still a valid backtest, okay? So this strategy is good. Maybe not the 92% that he said, but it's still a valid strategy, and it still returns a profit, very slow and steady, which is perfect for a beginner. So I do recommend you guys to go and backtest this and see it for yourselves. Maybe use it on a lower time frame to have more frequent trades, but let me know the results in the comments below. Thank you for watching.